Welcome back to the channel, and this video we are going to learn from the beginning to become a pro web developer or designer using WordPress and Elementor Pro. So I'm going to teach you how I start working on the projects and what I do beginning of the projects when a new project come to my new journey. So I'm using localhost to show you how this work or how I work, and I hope you will like it. If you follow the path that I'm showing you, it will be more easier for you to organize and maintain your project very easily. So right now you will see in here on my desktop that how I work. So as you can see in here that everything is fresh installed in here. I just change and delete few things into the website, but this is how basically when you land after you install WordPress. So what I do to the beginning, I go to the settings and go to the edit profile, because this give me more information to jump on, and I set midnight. There's a theme or admin color shape. When I choose the midnight, you will see wherever I go, it's give me a layout or indication where I'm going. If I choose default, it will not show as like the midnight do. So when I do that, I go and make sure to update my profile, and the next thing is I go to install themes. So basically I work and always work with Hello Elementor theme, because this is just as a theme. There is nothing or there is no layout or nothing that comes up with the theme, and this theme is coming with Elementor. The Elementor company build it. So when you go to and click edit a new theme or add a new theme, you will see into the top in here. So I have to go and click install, and after I install this theme, I have to activate the theme. So I'm just clicking on activate the theme, and when you activate the theme, it will give you a pop-up on the top that says thank you for installing Elementor. But this theme only work with Elementor plugin, because it can say that you can see we recommend you use to together with Elementor page builder. They work perfectly together, and I believe so. So here is the key point. Lots of people think that okay, I want to go with Astra theme and any other themes that are available that also work perfectly with Hello or with Elementor and Elementor plugin. But on Facebook group, lots of group people asking why should I use Hello Elementor or Astra theme. So Astra themes come with lots of pre-installed features that doesn't have with Hello Elementor theme, but the Hello Elementor theme will come as a default, and other Astra theme and other themes also have their own settings that already exist with Elementor settings. So I mean the Elementor plugin settings. So why you should go there and conflict with both of them? So my recommendation is go through there and just create use Hello Elementor theme. So if I click the theme details, you will see this has nothing, and I recommend you to go with auto update because it will save more time for you. And if I click on customize, you will notice that there is nothing, just a theme. So I have to go back one more time and install Elementor. The Elementor is very free plugin that you can get from wordpress.org, and after wordpress.org you can go to plugins and search Elementor. And you will see the first one is the Elementor plugin, and this has over 5 million downloads. So let's not talk about that, just click on Elementor and install Elementor. And you can click from there or you can download from here, but basically it's the same thing. So based on your internet and your hosting server, it will take the time to install the plugin. In this case, this is a local server, so this might take some time to install the plugin. Okay, so the plugin install, as you can see, all I have to do just activate the plugin. When the plugin is activated, basically you are done. So what I do next is create some pages. So I'm not going to do that right now because I'm just creating one page, and my main goal is to create a landing page or a coming soon page for these projects, so you can move forward from there to learn more about these projects using Elementor and Elementor Pro. But in this case, I'm just going to show that how you can use the Elementor, and then rest of the later on I will show you how you go through with Elementor Pro. So this one is asking to go with Elementor Pro, but we don't need this time. So let's create the one page, the home page. So there is few shortcuts to create a page that will give you more flexibility when you are using Elementor. You don't have to go with add page and add a new page. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to do click press Control and E, or Mac it's Command E. This will bring up the folder. So now I'm just typing add new page. So when I'm going to create add new page, it will give me more freedom in here, and now it will pop up the actual Elementor loading panel. So from here I'm just going to name this page as a home, and status of this page, so its page is draft or pending or anything. So I'm just going to create this, making it publish. So as soon as I create publish, this page will be published, and I don't want this home button, our home name as a page name, to live or show into the side. So I'm just going to click and hide the page title. So the page title is hide now, and the page layout, what I'm going to do, so I'm just going to create this page as a canvas, Elementor canvas. I don't want any header, footer or any menu, because my next goal is create a landing coming soon page, so it should look to the customer or anyone who's coming to the website. Or if you go to the if you are creating a new website, then you need a landing page where people come and see that this page is coming soon, the site is developing. So in this case, I'm creating this as an Elementor canvas, and create it will take some time. When you make this page layout as a canvas, or if you go and make it full width, it will load up automatically, and it will give you the update. You can see is that a landing page or canvas page or full page. So right now I'm just going to do it as a update in here, and this page is live. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to click top of the panel and click exit to the dashboard, and now into the dashboard I'm just going to the settings, into the permalinks, create the page name, post name as a URL, and create update. So there will be so many questions in your mind that why should I go with post name. So just because if you go with this plain, then this will give you the domain name, as like you can see in here, localhost /, and the 123 or page name will automatically generate by the number. If you go and choose day and the name, then it will give you the which date it create and the actual page name. So today's date and the home will be the example. Yeah, as like this in here, also the archive number and the post name. So post name basically the exact name that will give you when you create the exact page name. So this case you will choose the post name and create save changes. Okay, the next thing is you have to name, go to the general and create a name or give a website name. So I can say in here as a tagline, website coming soon. So this is the tagline, and this is, I just name it Elementor when I install WordPress. So you can see that on the top of the website it will show you the exact name of it. So the next thing I do is change the time zone. This is very important. If you are creating a website for your client, make sure you put client time zone. Other than that, if you put the website in timeline, or make it timeline like, okay, countdown or countdown timer, it will show your time, or it will default show UTC +0 time zone. So it will not work like that. So you will see different time and your client will see different time zone based on this. So when you create this or developing any website, put the time zone for your client. So in this case I'm putting Dhaka, my current time zone. You have city name, or you can have the GMT time zone or UTC time zone, but I will recommend you to go with city or nearby city, so it will give you the exact time. So you can also choose date format, whichever you like. You can go and choose the customize, but I just use the default. And in this case of the week start, in here it's started Saturday, Friday is our weekend. So now I'm just keeping my time zone and my date and week start, and then I just click on save changes. Please keep in mind that why should I put the week started, because other countries like European countries, Western countries, and other people like next country, my neighbor's country, India, they also start their weekend is Monday. So just keep in mind which country this website will serve, or the website owner has their own time zone or week started. Because if you have any booking service into the website, then this will be another issue. You never understand, or you never will find where and how I fix it. So just keep these settings according to the website, and this will be the site name that will show into the website on the mobile tab or browser tab. Also this will show you the tagline into the browser tab. So just make it save changes, that's fine. And now you don't have to do anything like this. This is how I do when I land up on a website. Just create one page. And also one other thing that I do, I go to appearance, to menu, and create a menu according to the client requirement or anything that I want. But in this case I'm just creating main menu, so I can make sure that, okay, this is the main menu that I have to work with. I'm just putting this one as a main menu and save changes. Another option that under the reading, this is very important when you are creating a specific page that Google should read, or website, or the customer or the visitor read first. So just create a static page, and home page, make the home page is home, or in your case any other pages that you want to make. Like for an example, if you are creating a portfolio website where you want a about us page become the home page, just choose the page which one this page will show first into the website for the customer or the visitors. In this case, the blog post, if you want to show more blog than 10, just put the number in here. And if you have the blog site on your website, just choose the specific blog page. So if you follow this video course along with all of those information, just make sure you will follow one by one, then you will understand which one go first and which one go next. So in this case, I'm just putting the home page. The home page should be landing page, the home page, and save changes. So now if I visit the site, you will see there is nothing. It's just a completely blank page. Why? Because we choose the home page as a canvas page. So basically canvas page is a canvas where you will see a specific thing. There is nothing like header and footer, menu, or nothing. So this is how you will create a blank page using Elementor and Hello Elementor theme. So let's go back to the dashboard. So we are back into the dashboard right now, and now this next step is we will go through the Elementor settings. There are lots of settings into the into this plugin. So basically this will help you to create more, to learn more about the Elementor. So this is it. Now if you have any questions, you can feel free to put into the comment section. Feel free to subscribe the channel and hit the notification button to get more update from the channel. See you in the next video. Hopefully your journey with Elementor or design or become a web developer will be more easier to follow this video course along. See you in the next video. Till then, be safe. Tata, bye bye.